actually. Hello.
Yeah, my name is Ceci. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I'm a housewife. I am a YouTuber.
Yeah.
That's enough. Tell me about yourself. What about you?
My name is Astos Kumar, and I'm from UP. I'm doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why you are learning English? For which purpose you are learning English?
So I am learning English because ma'am. Yeah, I am a student of engineering college. If I go like a job purpose, if you are asking in English, if I know English, then I can reply. Then I can talk to them and talk to them, and that's why, ma'am.
Okay. It's good thing. You have good thinking. From up to 10th class, in which medium you are studied? Your voice not clear. Can hear.
What about
What is what is what is you have what?
what what do you do, ma'am?
What I do? Yeah, I take care of my family and my baby. I have one daughter, and I am doing work in YouTube. I am recording those conversation videos and uploading my channel.
Why
That,
you do that?
yeah, I wanted to get fluency in my English. I have aim and dream to go abroad. That's why I'm learning English for getting fluency.
Yeah. So if you get a chance, so firstly, where would you like to visit, ma'am?
I want to go US, America. I want to go America.
Why? Why, ma'am?
Why?
Have any specific reason?
Yeah, I have friends in America. My 10th class friends and intermediate friends and my engineering friends all are went there for their studies. And also it is very beautiful place. Everything is developed. Hotels, education, everything is very developed country. So I have interest in that. Yeah, you tell me
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
if you have any chance to go abroad out of station. I mean, I think out of state. Where you go?
Firstly, I would like to visit America, ma'am.
Oh, you
Yeah,
also send. Can I know why you are choosing that?
yeah, ma'am. I wanted to go America because ma'am, I want to see like what is the education qualification over there, and what is the culture. So that's why, ma'am, I I'm thinking I want to go over there.
Okay. Yeah, what you are doing for improving your English for your higher education?
But right now, I'm not doing any work for related to this. And some is happen in March. So that's why I'm preparing my exam.
Yeah,
I,
your English is so good and clear and getting practice. You can
yeah.
practice.
So uh, may I know what is your hobby?
My hobbies.
I,
Sometimes I read some books to get any grammar knowledge, like repedex and related to English books, and take care my family and my church. That's enough. I don't have much time to do any other activities.
yeah, yeah. So, ma'am, tell me how many hours do you spend for learning English?
Not specific any hours or any time. If I have time, I can open books and I open my YouTube and I open some apps to practice English. That's that's it. Not specific time. And I don't maintain any time to particularly to practice English. In before I practice English in Cambly, I have three classes in a week. Regularly, I think 4 months. Not 4 months. I think 6 months. It is 6 months. I practice it in Cambly. Those conversations are very help me to improve my English to some get fluency and pronunciation.
Ma'am, is it good for learning and practicing for gambling you app
What?
as to you? Like, you are taking session like a gambling application. So
Cambly, yes.
gambling application is the most popular for any learner. So is it good for to improve your fluency?
Yes, it is very native speaker is very good. Everyone clear out dots, my dots, and they gave me some suggestions how to improve, how to practice, how to improve, and then how to overcome our nervous. Those things are they are told me. If I have time to practice what are they said, definitely I am very fluently now. But I don't have any time to practice what are
Yeah,
they.
I wanted to take a session, ma'am, like a gambling and clapping. So
Yeah, yeah.
yes, improving or
You have any sections in Cambly? Okay.
I'm take a session like gambling or clapping.
Okay. What you said? I cannot hear you properly.
I'm saying
Some
to you, hello, can you hear
yeah.
me properly?
Yes. Ask me.
I'm saying to you, ma'am, Cambly is the best for to improving English or yeah, clapping. Which is the which one is the best?
Both are very good. It's my
Which
opinion. Both are very good. But at the point of expensive, it is at the point of money you have to pay. Cambly is very expensive to pay to have the sections, but camping is some better to middle class families.
okay, after finishing in job, I will join gambling.
Yeah, sure. If you want to go talk with native speakers from international, you can choose Cambly or Camblingo. Both are very good, but Cambly is very good because I have so many sections in Cambly I took.
Oh, ma'am, so you are from Andhra Pradesh, I think.
Yes, I am south part of India. You know Andhra Pradesh?
No, I heard, but I
Okay.
have never been. I never.
Okay. Which place you are visited in India?
I'm from UP. You know UP?
Yes, I know, but I cannot visit any places in North India.
Where you at any place? Mostly you want to visit. You want to visit.
What? Where I have to visit?
You are living. You live in Andhra Pradesh. So
Yes,
that is there any place that you want to most visit?
in Andhra Pradesh.
Like a famous place. You want to most visit.
Yeah, it has so many good places, oceans and everything, historical places, temples, lot of things is here in my place, Andhra Pradesh. Every village is very greenery and peacefully. This is very good state.
Okay, ma'am. If I get chance, so I will visit it.
Sure, definitely you can visit.
Yeah, ma'am. I love like traveling, ma'am.
Okay, definitely you can come here and visit lot of places.
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Kumar, have a nice day. I have we have both are have
Hello.
good conversation now. Hopefully you can meet under section under under time. I say bye bye now. Bye.